Emotion follows motion. If you feel unmotivated, undisciplined, and you don't know where to start in your fitness journey, you need to listen to this. Hey, what's up, guys? Brown Applied Fitness, where our mission is to help motivate, educate, and empower you to become the best version of yourself. And today, I want to remind you that it's completely normal and understanding to not be motivated at times to get started. Because sometimes, if you're new to your health and fitness and fat loss goals, your journey seems like it's an uphill battle. It seems like it's an uphill goal, and that's totally normal. But what I want to remind you is that emotion follows motion. So what do I mean by that? I mean that you just have to take that first step, and you can't get overwhelmed. You can't get stressed out. You can't get frustrated. You have to realize that, okay, today I just take one little step closer to my goals, and then tomorrow I do the same thing. Over time, as you take motion to start going towards your goals, your motivation is going to start to build up, and then it starts to snowball, and then you start to get motivated. Then it starts to take over, where suddenly you're not like, I have to work out, I get to work out, or I have to go to the gym, I get to go to the gym. Total different mindset shift, and once you get there, the results just start coming. And I guarantee you this, don't complicate things. Your body wants to lose the weight. So if you just start to exercise, start to eat healthy, start to do some of the basic fundamental things, your body's going to start to lose weight naturally. Don't get too cute. Don't worry about any of the fad diets or any of the gimmicks or any of the nonsense classes. Focus on the basics and you'll see amazing results. I'm Brian with Applied Fitness. If you need any help, reach out to us. We're here to serve.